Welcome to Five Fires YouTube. Today we're going to be firing up over here at Universal Studios Hollywood for the completion of the Fast and Furious Hollywood Drift Track. Not already following me on Instagram or X at the Caliban, please subscribe, hit the like button, fire it up. I'm the main host, Mondo. Let's do this. Starting our updates over here at City Walk with Line, Friends, and Square. You can kind of see them there. I still really don't know what the store's gonna be, but hopefully it's cool, Junior.
Oh, not like Hello Kitty, though, I can tell you that. I don't know.
Very, very beautiful day out here, Junior.
Good to be out here, man.
Good weather, too.
Good weather, not hot, not fresh, but hot.
Yeah.
Hot now.
The updates, though, today are pretty juicy. FanFest, Horror Nights,
And the final track.
Final Track.
Finally complete. Finally.
Dude, we're gonna have a good day. We're gonna have a good day.
Can't wait, can't wait.
All right, let's do it.
Yeah, that's what.
Wow, we got new FanFest banners, everybody. Nice. Nice. Wow. We also have shields that have gone up over here at the entrance of Universal. Very nice, very nice. We got all the shields for FanFest now.
Good photo, my friend.
We're at Lemley Court. Some bottles have now arrived over here at this bar. A lot of people were writing me this is going to be Star Trek. Even though it kind of doesn't, I don't know, I don't get a Star Trek vibe, but it's going to be Star Trek. But check this out. This is brand new too. Huh. Does anybody know what this is? I'm assuming Star Trek, but like what? So Junior asked John Murdy about Parisian Courtyard, right?
Yeah, I asked him what the time for later this month, and he said yeah. So that other person said, will this interfere the construction?
Yeah.
And he said, both are Hello Kitty themed. So it should be fun. I'm like, what do you mean by that?
Yeah, could that be Hello Kitty?
Yeah, if it's Hello Kitty, oh my god.
Because we saw Universal, they had like a Hello Kitty band, right?
Yeah, Japan.
In Japan.
Japan, yeah, the Kuromi like band. Like, yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah, why can't we get that?
I know.
You know what I mean?
Bring it over here, Hollywood. Come on.
Yeah, that Hello Kitty has not been mentioned at all for FanFest.
If it's Hello Kitty, oh my god, I'll go nuts.
John might be trolling us though.
Yeah, he always trolls, he always lies.
So, but it would be cool if it's Hello Kitty.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe Hello Kitty's coming. We have a banner that went up for One Piece Grand Pirate Gathering. Maybe they put up more right here. And then this meet and greets, we saw this one yesterday. Nothing added. That's probably it. I don't think they add anything more to it. Oh, Fiona, Shrek. Man, this One Piece, like decorations up here. Hey, they need to do that for Horror Nights.
I know, they got to do it for Horror Nights, man. Come on.
I know. Hey, reuse these for Horror Nights.
Yeah, put the photo up for Horror Nights too.
Well, I'll say maybe put like some pumpkins right here, like some jack-o'-lanterns.
Awesome.
That'd be sick.
That'd be sick. The lights right there.
Yeah.
Spider webs, anything, man.
Just more decoration for Horror Nights.
Yeah.
Just yesterday, Vin Diesel did a short live stream saying that he's on the Universal lot to film something historic, if I'm not mistaken, something to be remembered. All I kept thinking is probably the pre-show for Fast and Furious Hollywood Drift. Man. Hey, I hope Vin Diesel comes for a grand opening.
He has to be here.
Yeah.
Vin Diesel, Tyrese.
All that Fast and Furious crew.
Cast.
Yeah, we got to see him out here.
They have to be here.
It's Hollywood, man. Oh my Lanta. Wow. Nasty. Today is the day, everybody. Today is the day. Track completion over here at Fast and Furious. Scaffolding is down at the Q building. Look at this. Look at this. Beautiful, beautiful Hollywood Drift track. Look at that. Wow. This is just unreal. I can't believe we got this in Hollywood. I still can't believe it. Still can't believe it. All the elements in this ride are just insane. That dive loop, this section right here, this section, this crazy stall. That will have another little launch into that escalator area. Wow. Wow. Unreal. Wow. This is like literally roller coaster paradise right here. Damn. Wow. Seeing that in person is just nuts. This angle's crazy. Wow. It's a completed track. Literally a completed track now. We're taking a look now at the Escalator Hillside project. And as I was mentioning, you can see all these markers right here, all in like the middle of this area. And they go all the way out here. What do those markers mean? Also too, there's like a new sign that went up down here. You can't see it right now, but it's for that Dungeons and Dragons lounge that'll be at the top. And the biggest update in this area, the tent. As you can see, there is people working on the tent. It does look like the layout is being done. The walkthrough, like the actual walkthrough, look, we see people in there. So maybe layout's happening. Could facade work start happening too? We are gonna get on the studio tour, so we'll get a closer look. Probably can't see much, but it's always nice to see it up close. Studio tour time. Let's get some HHN updates. Only 5-minute wait.
We have our own fire department, our own police department, bank, post office, zip code. This is Universal City in LA County. In front of us, Soundstage 12. This is how we film scenes indoors, inside. This building looks like an airplane hangar on the outside, but inside we can create any environment the story demands. We have 36 sound stages throughout the lot.
Filming going on. They're filming the burbs. That's cool. That's quick.
Hair, makeup, and wardrobe. Hang on tight, my friends. This might be the big one. for Grant, myself, and everyone here at Universal Studios. We hope you've enjoyed your exclusive behind the scenes.
So what do you think about Curious George parking lot?
At first, when I saw your video yesterday, it kind of looked like poltergeist in the garage. But now that they put more what's up the facade, it don't look like it no more.
Yeah, they're working hard on that facade.
Yeah, they're working on it fast.
Yeah, they don't care about that one.
Yeah.
I have a feeling that might be the first announcement.
Yeah, I'm still gonna go with Terrifier no matter what.
Terrifier?
So, Terrifier. That has to be Terrifier.
Yeah, not Poltergeist though. Yeah.
Yeah. I want to see more of the facade how it looks.
Yeah.
Or if it's poltergeist or not. So,
Yeah, I don't know what the hell it could
yeah, I don't know. But I'm going with Terrifier for now.
Exit of studio tour. You got this incredible photo op, which will be for FanFest. We're like a couple of weeks away. We're not that far away. There was a lot of talk that over there at Curious George, that facade could be Poltergeist, but I am super doubting it now. I think it's something brand new that we've never seen. It's been rumored over there that Scarecrow could be coming. Could that facade be Scarecrow? I don't know. To me at this point, it's just very cool. I have a feeling that Curious George tent is going to be the first announcement, just so they could work on the full facade and probably knock that house out before they just move on to the Parisian courtyard and all the other crazy stuff. I did see where we had Eternal Bloodline, that maze last year in the soundstage. They cleared it out completely, so maybe a tent goes up in there too, or not a tent, but just a horror night layout. You know what I mean? We'll see. We'll see. I hope they reuse that soundstage, because more sound stages the better for horror nights. That is going to be all for today's trip out here at Universal. The track being completed. What's next? The screen barriers, sound wall, theming, testing. Lots of exciting updates still on the horizon, but to see the full track before it's like covered up and stuff, awesome. Fast and Furious is going to be the biggest game changer for Hollywood ever. I'm so excited. Hey, fired up. And for the facade work that's already happening for HHN, crazy. Things are moving so fast all of a sudden. And we're on the horizon of FanFest stuff, so can't wait to be covering all of that. I got my fandom pass to cover that event multiple times. Man, I just love Universal Studios Hollywood. All right, everybody, thank you guys for watching. Smash that like button, firing it down.